Хотите немного своя? What's up, little guy? Is he gonna make any noise?
Emma, you cannot smile when you're feeding the kinkajou.
Hey.
No.
Cute. I mean, can I sit by Emma?
Was he a cute little guy?
He is the cutest.
What's he drinking? Is some 7-Up or Mountain Dew?
Milk.
Oh, he's drinking milk. That's what babies need.
I was zoomed in on her face.
It's crazy how much they're just like your regular house cat. It's like a cat. It almost looks like a Bengal with big ears. Mm-hmm.
Typically, it's a wallaroo.
It's a wallaroo, and it stayed in the car the whole time?
I kept checking on him, but it was a little cold outside for him to be coming out. So he's a good boy.